Okay, so I'm putting in some more track in tonight. I got in the mail my curve turnout and my number 5 turnout here. And so yeah, so just doing a quick, everything looks good. So, okay, so I'm going to go ahead and get some track. I'm going to go connect this to that, whatever. And yeah, we'll go from there. Again, just for those who are asking, these screws, once I'm done, won't be there. Once I glue everything down, those screws will come up. So I just use screws as a way of, it's a cheap way. I'm not buying pins and whatever. When, you know, I just have screws on hand and I can just use screws. So anyway, I'll do some more. I'll do another quick update. And once I get more done, all this is drying pretty good. It's still kind of wet a little bit. So I'm going to let it dry until tomorrow. And then I will go ahead and start shaping it, filling in all the big cracks. Because the only problem about drywall, and I will admit, is that it cracks up. But, you know, you just fill it in with really wet stuff and it'll just dry up fine once you get it sand it down and everything. So, all right, peace out. Happy model railroading.